name is Rosa, and you click on this video because you want to clean your refrigerator. Not a wipe down thing, clean here and there, and let's close it. A deep cleaning. So this is gonna take time, but not that much. So keep watching and you'll see what comes up. Enjoy! Tips: prepare your shelf. Put a sweater, put a t-shirt, something that you can splash water or some things like that. Also, your hair, you don't wanna put water or again water splashing on your hair. So I am ready. That's why I'm like this today. Okay, so other tips: try to deep clean when the refrigerator is almost empty. When is that gonna be? What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go and buy groceries for the week. So my refrigerator is not as full. So I'm gonna take advantage of this, and I'm gonna take that time before I go for grocery shopping to clean the refrigerator. I also suggest to do a deep cleaning once a month. Then the rest, like every week, once a week, you can just wipe down everything else. But then once a month at least do this, and then next month is gonna be easier because then you're gonna try to maintain that cleanliness. The only things that you're gonna need here is gonna be your excitement about cleaning your refrigerator and thinking that it's gonna be clean for later. Then you're gonna need soap for later, any soap that you have, dish soap, sponge, and towels, clean towels to dry. Okay, first thing that we're gonna do, we're gonna take everything from the refrigerator. This is my refrigerator. We have two parts. So the first part is the refrigerator and the bottom is the freezer. I'm gonna leave the freezer for later on. I'll take everything out to a place and take advantage of this. Get rid of things that are expired, get rid of things that they're not good anymore, like any fruits or vegetables that are not good. Throw it away. Maybe you wanna eat something that it's not as bad. Let's put everything in a table, and then let's start saying, okay, this one stays, this one's not. You don't see those things when everything is full. And then there is more stuff to clean. Sometimes there is spills that you don't even tell until you take everything out. So let's start cleaning. Show you. I'm gonna divide it, these parts 1 and this one's 2. So why am I gonna do that? Because the shelves on this part here is going to be glass, so we want to take care of that. We don't want to break anything. So we're gonna start with the door ones. Did you know that you can take the pieces out? If you didn't know, I tell you, yes you can. You can take it out. We're gonna take it out and wash them. Wash them, dry them, and get them ready to put them back. But before we put them back, we're gonna clean the wall. And then we're gonna do the same thing with the shelves. Take it as an exercise that you're moving hands, arms, and everything. So make it simple. Go with your music. So here is it. Now you're ready to put the, I don't know how you call this, but you're ready to put the clean ones. Can you see that they're very clean? So clean. You can put them back and rearrange them like how you will like them now. Now ready for the second part? Second part is gonna be this area. So this is gonna be more tricky because it's not plastic, it's going to be glass. So just see how your refrigerator works and try to take it out con cuidado. Just be careful, and so you don't break anything. So let's try to see how this one works. So you see, now in order to take this, I need to take this first. And to take that out, would be better to take this out. Same as this, guys. So what I'm gonna do, first I'm gonna take the boxes and I'm gonna wash them, clean them, and then take them out. And put them on the side, clean and dry, same thing that we did this. And then after I'm gonna do the shells. Now, I wash them one by one, dry them one by one, and once I finish completely, because you cannot let it be hanging out anywhere, once I complete it and dry it, I put it on the floor so I make sure that it would not be broken at any time. So here they are, all clean and pretty. I'm so happy! It's so clean! And you know that it's clean. Look at that. Nothing inside. Perfectly clean. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So shiny and nice. Same thing here. I hope this video really helped you, and then you can have a really nice and clean refrigerator for weeks. And then maybe you want to try to make it once a month, maybe once a year, depending on how dirty it is. Remember that every week, maybe wipe it down a little bit so it doesn't get that dirtier until your next deep cleaning. Okay, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.